Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. Today I wanted to give you guys a good look at one of our newer products. Now this launched with the 30th anniversary Type 65 Coupe. This is the full carbon fiber dash for the Coupe kit. Now this is available for the Gen 1 through 3 Coupe and the Coupe R. Now the Gen 1 and 2 Coupes will require a little bit of trimming around the edges just to get it to fit, and the Coupe R will require cutting for the roll bars. Super simple stuff, we can walk you through that. Other than that, this is a great addition to any coupe interior. This is a completely pre-preg vacuum bag carbon fiber piece. This isn't, carbon fiber on top of another skin, anything like that. This is completely carbon fiber. You'll also notice that you have some other components that come with the main dash piece. This is your gauge pod. Now this is a blank gauge pod. All of the dashes will be sent with a blank gauge pod, just so you have the maximum amount of kind of customization. You can drill the holes wherever you like and put the gauges so that it's comfortable for you. You'll also notice this is our first dash for the coupe with a glove box option. You'll see there's a completely carbon fiber glove box door, and all the box parts are included in this assembly as well. So almost like the Roadster, you'll have a lot of storage here as well. You'll notice some other details. On top of the dash here, there are your defroster vents. Those are already molded in and pre-cut, so if you are running the heat and AC system, you have your vents already made in. You just got to put the actual tubing underneath it. Now this is always sent in a matte finish. This is already clear coated, so it's already protected from UV, and once it's in your car, it'll fit real nice and it'll look good. But if you wanted to wrap it or have it painted, you can do that too if you're looking for a different finish, or maybe a different color, something like that. So there's so many different options. You'll also notice, as far as customization goes, you have this little button row at the bottom. So if you want to put your ignition switch, your horn button, anything like that, you have some options on where you want to put those things. So if you want to take your coupe interior to the next level, whether you're ordering your new kit or you have an older kit you just want to spice up, this is a great option for it. The carbon fiber coupe Type 65 Coupe Dash.